How to cancel Lazada order and get a refund. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Lazada order and get your refund hassle-free. So first, open Lazada app and head to My Orders section. Here, you will see all your recent purchases. Find the order you want to cancel and tap the cancel button. If the button is not available, it might already be processed or shipped. But don't worry, I will explain what to do. Then select your reason for cancellation from the list provided. Make sure to cancel as soon as possible to avoid shipping complications. Once your cancellation is confirmed, let's talk about refunds. If you paid via e-wallet or Lazada wallet, the refund is typically processed within 24 hours. For credit card or debit cards, it might take 7 to 14 days depending on your bank. If your order is already shipped, don't panic. Wait for it to arrive and then go to returns and refund section to initiate a return. Follow the instructions, and your refund will be processed once Lazada verifies the item. And that's it. Canceling a Lazada order and getting your refund is super easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.